Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best in home decor inspiration. Today we are diving into the enchanting world of decorative wood ideas. From rustic charm to modern elegance, we have curated a collection of stunning design to transform your space. So sit back, relax, and let's explore their captivating word creation. When it comes to creating a cozy and inviting ambience, nothing compared to the timeless beauty of rusting wood. Picture yourself in the charming log cabin, nested amidst and forested land space, with exposed wooden beam, reclaimed brain door and weathered wood feeling. You can bring that rustic trade feeling into your own home. Embrace the warmth of nature wood tone and celebrate the imperfections that tell a story of history and character. From those seeking more defined and sophisticated aesthetic, contemporary wood design offer an elegant solution. Sleek lines, smooth finish, and minimalist Southeast take center stage in this style. Consider incorporating rich walnut and homogeneous accents to your interior decor, either through custom-built cabinetry, statement furniture pieces, or even features walls. The juxtaposition of wood with sleek metals and glass creates a harmonious blend of warmth and modernity. Looking to add a touch of drama to your living space, turn your eyes upward and discover the captivating allure of statement ceiling. A beautifully crafted wooden ceiling can transform a plain room into a showstopper. From From intricate design to geometric patterns, the positions are endless, pointing to perfect ceiling from the classic and refined look. Are explored the uniqueness of export wooden beam that bring a rustic charm to any space. Near ceiling, the starter of the show. Sometimes it is the small details that make the biggest impact. Incorporating versatile wood accents can instantly elevate your decor, whether it's hand-carved wooden sculpture, a stunning wooden mirror frame, or intricately designed wooden room dividers. These essential features depth and visual interest when you not forget about the power of wooden shelves and floating shelves, allowing you to display the cherished item in style. While limit the beauty of decorative wood to the indoors, extend your design journey to the great outdoor and create an inviting oasis that seamlessly blends with nature. craft and charming wooden project perfect for hosting summer gathering or creating a peaceful retreat. Consider adding wooden deckless or a wooden trellis to enhance the ambience of your garden. With the right combination of plants, outdoor seating, and modern accents, your backyard can become by century. To complete the outlook, let's not forget the power of finishing touches. Wood stain and finishes offer endless possibilities to customize your decor, from natural hues that enhance the wood's innate beauty to blood color that make a statement. The choice of your experiment with distressed finish for a vintage pale or explore glossy finish for a touch of luxury. Remember, the right finish can truly bring your decorative wood ideas to life. As we include your exploration of decorative wood ideas, we hope you feel inspired to embark on your own design journey. Either you embrace the rustic charm, see contemporary elegance, or let your imagination run wild with unique essence. Decorative would open a world of possibilities, so go ahead, unleash your creativity, and transform your space into a heaven warm and beauty with captivating allure of decorative wood.